we made it. Look at this, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful view. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I'm going to be vlogging on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is something I always like to do, you know, with different devices to really test out the cameras when it comes to video, because this way, you know, we're getting good lighting, we're getting bad lighting, we're getting light movement, heavy movement. We're using the front-facing cameras, you know, the rear-facing cameras. So it's really going to show us what these cameras are capable of, you know, when it comes to overall video. And I will be vlogging at 4K 30 frames per second. But today we are visiting the Palm Springs aerial tramway, and I say we because my sister's with me, although she's not exactly with me. But check this out. So we got this, you know, fake waterfall behind me, and then let me show you guys something here. This is actually really cool. If you ever come to Palm Springs, you definitely want to visit the Palm Springs aerial tramway. This is the largest 360-degree rotating tram. Woo! Got these misters right here. I don't know, I got to do my research real quick, and then I'll get back to you with that one, with the information I'm about to provide with this tram right here. But check this out. So the tram is going to start right here. This is the bottom right here. This is where everybody's waiting to get on and stuff. Although you don't see it right there. It's probably all the way up at the top. But it's going to go, let me see if I can zoom in. It's going to go way up there. So you see one of those, I don't know, whatever you call that. But it goes up. There's another one. There's another one all the way to the top of the mountain up there. And it is going to be absolutely beautiful when we get up there. But this is my view right now here down at the bottom. So yeah, today I'll just be sharing my day with you all, recording it all on the S22 Ultra, and we're just gonna have fun. Just gonna have a good day today. And if you guys enjoy the, whoa, whew, got a bunch of webs on my leg right there. But if you guys do enjoy this video and want to see more videos like this one, more vlogs, just let me know down in the comment sections below. We just like having fun with these videos. You know, it's nothing professional or anything like that. We don't have, you know, a bunch of cameras set up and trying to make it look super good. We're just gonna be vlogging on this device and, you know, recording our day. But it's almost time. Let me see, I don't gotta watch, but I do know it's almost time to get to where the tram is going to be to take us up there, because we are scheduled for a 10 o'clock tram, and I believe when I checked the time it was like 9:45 or something like that. So I'm gonna head back, and yeah, let's have a good day today. There we go. We're moving. We're moving. About to swing, about to swing. Woo! All right, we made it to the top. That's my sister right there. What's up? Check out this view. Woo! Actually, let me switch it up. All right. Look at this view right here. My goodness, absolutely beautiful. I think we're like over 8,000 feet high or something. And then with these cameras right here, look at this. Check it out. Let's go zoom. Let's zoom in. That's 3 times. There's 10 times. I gotta love the zoom on this camera. That's 20 times right there. I think 10 times probably looks a bit. You can see the city. But look at this. Look at how nice this looks. All right, I'm done looking. Let's go hiking. Let's go hiking. That's I don't know where that goes, but I know we're supposed to go this way. All right, so we made it to the hiking trail. As you can see, look, we're right in the middle of the mountain. This sister's over there taking pictures. But we made it to the hiking trail, and we were supposed to go, or we wanted to go that way, because that's where there's like a bunch of other different trails and just a lot more to see. But the guy, the what do you call them? The rangers. He was like, well, you know, I recommend you start off with the starter package, which is like the super easy trail, I guess. So he said, once you guys do that, then come back, fill out these permits, and then you can take the higher trails. He said, because if one of us get hurt while we're out there or something, you know, there ain't no cell service out here, so it's gonna take them like all day to find us. So we're out here taking the easy trail. Something quick about the tram that we rode up here. So that tram cart is actually the largest 360-degree rotating tram in the world. So again, if you ever visit Palm Springs and, you know, you're into outdoorsy stuff like this, and, you know, you want to go hiking, definitely check out that tram. But so far, look at this. It is absolutely Beautiful up here in the middle of the mountains. Got these tall trees everywhere. And the weather is just absolutely beautiful too. I know I keep repeating myself. I keep saying that a lot. I gotta change my words up a bit. Doing this for a picture. Trying to get a good picture out of this. How's that look right there? Whoa.
That looks cool.
It feels like it's gonna snap.
Don't do that.
All right, am I in a good spot?
Mm-hmm.
All right, take the picture. Whew. All right, so we got the, oh man, we got the picture, but my hands are all sticky from all the sap on the tree. I thought I was gonna fall off of that huge tree that was on the ground. But this is the picture right here. The whole time I thought that the trails here were like natural, except for the harder trail that I talked about earlier. I think that's all like natural stuff. But I guess the trail that we're on is trails that they made themselves, you know, like they got all these tree branches on the sides and stuff to kind of keep us in the center of this trail right here. And I always thought they were just natural, but it looks like they're making, let me zoom in. It looks like they're making a new trail. Look at that. You can hear the construction going on and everything way over there. So yeah, I guess these trails aren't natural trails. I don't know. I just always assumed that they were. Look at this, has been her the entire hike, taking pictures and video of herself the whole entire time. She can't just be out here and enjoy the outdoors without looking at her phone. All right, so I think we're a little lost. My sister's like somewhere way up there, but we kind of lost the trail. And I thought this was gonna be a trail right here, like coming down this way. And I even, because I have a map right here, right? I followed the map, but I don't know. This seems like a little sketchy. I don't know. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna try to go back up there. I mean, I'm not much of a rock climber, but let's see if we can find our way back to the trail. So my sister's like way up there somewhere, and I gotta find my way back up there. Whoa. And my shoes don't have a whole lot of grip on the bottom, so I'm like slipping on some of the rocks here, but I want to make it look. Found some flat ground right here, so let's hope we can find the trail. Okay, so okay, so the sign says notch 5, right? And we came this way, and it looks like you can go that way, but no. Okay. So we're actually supposed to go around this way and then back towards the way we came, but instead we go that way. I don't know why they do that. It would have been cooler if they made some kind of trail going that way, because it actually looked pretty cool down there. But yeah, so I guess we should have just kept going this way, but we accidentally kind of went off trail that way because we saw a bunch of squirrels and we were trying to like feed them and stuff. And then, and then we ran this way, and then we just ended up going that way. So that's kind of how we got lost, but now we're back on track. All right, so before we continue this beautiful journey that we're on right now, and now that we finally found some shade and I can finally take a little bit of a breather right here, I gotta take this moment to give a huge thanks and shout out to the sponsors of this video, D-Brand. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with who D-Brand is, I mean, they make tons of skins. If you're someone who, you know, likes to style up your phone a bit, maybe you don't like to have a case on your phone, but you still want to add some style to it. I mean, they have tons of skins to choose from. And obviously, I can't really show you right now, right here, but I'll throw up some B-roll because I'm actually using the phone to record this video. But I'll throw up some B-roll right here so you can see how many skins they have to choose from. And they also offer one of my favorite cases that you can get for pretty much any device that they have it available for, their grip case. It's gonna offer you tons of grip. So if you're holding the phone, I mean, you don't have to worry about it falling out of your hands or anything because of the amount of grip that it provides. And not only that, it also provides a good amount of protection, actually some really, really good protection. And I have done plenty of drop tests. Let's go ahead and keep walking. I've done plenty of drop tests with their case on many other devices, and the device always still comes out looking like new. And I will have a separate review video and drop test video with their grip case for the S22 Ultra. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notifications so you do not miss out on that video or any other future videos. But they offer an amazing case. And the cool thing about that case is you can also switch up the look of the case. So you don't have to buy, you know, tons of cases to be able to throw on your phone just because you want to switch up the look of it. All you got to do is just switch out the skin. You can continue using that same grip case. You just simply just switch out the skin. You get a new look and you're good to go. You get that nice grip, that nice protection, that cool style on your phone. And yeah, if you're interested, I have a link down in the description below so you can check out either their case or some skins or both for yourself. Make sure to hit that link down in the description. Again, a huge thanks and shout out to the sponsors of this video, D-Brand. All right, we made it to notch 4. Not sure what that means, but it's got to mean something. I also think it means we're going backwards because we were just at notch 5. So we kind of took this trail backwards, but look at this view. So we did it. We finished the trail, made it to the end. Beautiful. It was nice, but that was not the hard part. That was actually the easy part compared to what we're about to do right now, which is walk back up to the tram. So we have to take this long path all the way back up that way, and it's like super long. And if anything, this is more of a workout than the trail that we did, although we did not do the super hard trail that we had wanted to do. Maybe next time. But yeah, this is the hard part. So hopefully we make it all the way back up without passing out. How you doing? You good? All right.
It's amazing.
We'll see you guys up top. Whew. We made it. We made it inside. But look at more stairs. But hopefully the snack bar is open. Oh, that's actually up there with more stairs. But we are starving, so I got a gift shop right here. For those of you who have never been here before and you want to get some souvenirs, check it out. A little gift shop. And then if we keep on going, that's going to be the area where we wait to go back down the tram to where we originally started. Pick up some photos there. Back up some more stairs, and this is going to be the eating area. Just give you guys a little tour of the what it's like up here at the tram. So you got a bar over there, you got the restrooms over there. There's my sister again. And then we got the little snack bar over there, Pines Cafe. That's, I guess we can call it that. But they also have a restaurant as well, the Peaks restaurant. So let's go see what food they have. All right, so they got all this over here. They got some stuff in there. They got fountain drinks right there. And they got all these drinks right here. Chips. Ooh, check it out. They got some pizza. I think I'm gonna get some pizza. They got nachos, more drinks, and then some ice cream. All right, so we're gonna be going with the pizza right here. Actually, it looks pretty good. I'm really curious to see how it's gonna taste. I've never tried the pizza from here before. All right, moment of truth. Never tried the pizza here before. Let's see how it tastes. What do you think? Pretty good? It's pretty good. And I don't know if it's just because I'm starving or not, but it's actually pretty good. All right, about to head back down, getting back in the tram. Woo! This crowd's way better than the one earlier. Headed back down. Tower number 4. Tower number 4. Woo! All right, so we made it down. Can you believe we were way up there somewhere? But we made it down. I gotta say that crowd right there was way better than the one this morning. Just more lively, everybody singing and wooing and all that. But I gotta say, you can definitely tell. Hold on, I'm getting in the car right here. Let me take my backpack off. So you can definitely tell the difference in weather. Up there, coming back down here, is super hot down here, and up there it's like 30 degrees cooler. Okay, we're like sweating even more now. But Anyways, I'm supposed to be looking at the camera over here, looking at the screen. Looks like I'm looking to the side. Anyways, thank you all for joining me. Thank you for watching the video, joining us on our day here at the tram. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. We are exhausted, tired. I'm ready to go home, shower, and take a nap. Got this AC going in my face right here. But thank you all so very much for watching. Let me know what y'all think about the video. Let me know down in the comments. Leave a huge thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. And don't forget to check out our sponsors of this video, D Brown. I'll have a link down in the description for you guys so you can go ahead and check them out and pick up a grip case or some skins or both for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. But again, thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Have a good day. Peace out.